So these stands were built in 2007, and as I said, they were built with halogen lighting. So we had to move away from that, obviously, because it's limited stock now. But also we wanted to reduce energy usage, moving forward, and get some more longevity out of the kit. And Ansell, we get longevity out of the kit. My engineers, they prefer Ansell lighting. Ansell has a great reputation with LED. It's an open protocol system that you can add to for mood lighting and things like that. So it was a no-brainer, really. They're not difficult to use, so we can train porters up on them, and also my team as well. I thought it was cost-effective. You know, I had a budget to work with. It was a system that the engineers were comfortable with, and then when you put it over to your duty managers and explain to them what they can get out of the system, it was an easy sell. Our rep, Andrea, she's always available to us. I'd just rather stay with the Ansell system. Built a good reputation up and built a good relationship up. Got a project in 2025. These two grandstands are exactly the same. We've done this side now, so I've put it in the budget for February, March, and we're going to do them two grandstands as well, with Ansell, obviously. We haven't got as many units in the room because of the spread of lighting in the loom. So we've watched energy for these two buildings. We have sub-meters in all our buildings, so we've been monitoring. And this one's come in 30% less than that one. So we will get our money back over a 2 to 3 year period. And then we've got the kit that's going to last longer than the old kit did. It just makes sense.